some wood off them. I'm not putting that back.
Go kill some more deer.
I'm done.
How about turkeys? You see any turkeys?
No.
Don't hurt my foot, boy.
Bears?
Go kill an alligator.
Yeah, I just did.
You shoot him?
Huh?
Did you shoot him or stab him?
Sapple.
Stabbed him?
How long was he?
13.8. Like this measure. Like this measure. Like that.
He was 13-footer?
Look.
Yeah.
Like that measure. What's a big alligator?
Big alligator?
Yeah.
Gator is good to eat.
Yeah, I am. I got two. Got one here, right there.
Uh-huh.
I got one right here. Some of these my knife. Some of them, ones are my gun.
One's your gun, one's your knife. Be careful.
That is my gun today. That's my gun here.
Do you have... What kind of bullets does that gun take? Little bullets or big ones?
See this boy? Pair on. Spam. No.
You got him?
Yep.
Oh, there's a bird in the yard.
Where?
Wait a minute, you can't see him unless he moves his head.
Oh, shoot.
He's right over there. He ain't moving. He said, wait a minute, watch him and you...
I'm gonna go walk up to him. I'm gonna walk up to him.
He's on this side of the tree.
On that side of the tree?
No, right out, yeah, from that palm thing. Easy. Well, maybe he flew off and I didn't see him. Must be 'cause he's sure. You see him anywhere? He would have flew at me. Sure.
He's over there. So,
Oh, he just...
Oh, yeah. Fail.
Did you kill it? Did you get him? Huh? Did you get him?
It's that for real.
don't run with them.
Huh?
Don't run with them.
For real, I killed him.
Did you?
For real.
Did the dogs go get him?
Yep.
What kind of dog did you say you had?
Callie.
Callie? Yeah.
I was right up a tree, go get him.
Be careful, baby. Don't fall.
I'll put my windows back up here.
Don't put him by the door,
Why?
'cause the door won't close. Stick him in the flower pot where Mama asked you to, okay? That's your gun cabinet. You can pretend like that's your gun cabinet.
It is my gun cabinet.
Okay. No pretending about it, huh?
Was Shabri leaving right then to go to Alabama?
Yeah, Bruce never got out of the truck.
Oh, he was in. I didn't know he was going
He
with.
got out and drug some trees around, and
He just sat in the truck and waited on him. Oh, I love you. You a good boy?
Yeah.
I think you are. I think you are.
That's my gun cabinet.
Yeah.
That's my knife cabinet.
you gonna go with me and Mama to get Pocket some cigarettes, or you gonna stay here?
Why?
Huh?
Wow, what?
I'm going with you.
Huh?
I'm going with you. Like go get drink there.
Huh?
Drink!
What about a drink?
I might get one. Go out there. You drink water.
Sometimes.
You want to go get some Pepsi?
I got Pepsi.
You want to drink it?
I got some in there. I got a cup right here.
Well,
No, well, I'll leave it here.
Why can't get no drink? Take it there. Thank you, me too.
What?
Me
What you hear? What you hear?
too.
Don't run.
What did you hear?
Dad, get here.
You're gonna s-
Bail. Bail. Bail, 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 bail.
You ought to shoot him with as many bullets as you're shooting.
Don't run with that in your hand. Next time you run with it, I'm going to take it from you, okay?
Did you kill it?
No, it had a bullet.
Huh?
It had a bullet.
Didn't have enough bullets in there?
Bail.
Did you get him that time? Yep.
That's my cousin doing that.
That's your cousin?
Yeah,
Who's your cousin?
I don't know.
What's your cousin's name?
It's tagging.
Who?
Tagging.
Here, put them up.
Why?
Because we're finna to go.
Shoot one more bird.
Let Mama go use the bathroom. Potty.
I'm trying to get him out of his hands. Next time he does, we need to take him. He's jumping around too much with them. Where you going?
Let's find some more deer.
He's looking for some more deer. Potty.
Oh,
I want to leave some more.
He won't what?
leave the ward.
Tiger! Bill! I got him. I got him, Parker.
Did you get him?
Yep.
All right.
That's that cousin doing that. Oh, here's a boy.
Yeah. Throw that down.
Why?
It's dirty.
Why?
Put it down.
Why?
Good job. Okay. Put your guns up.
All these was my knife.
Oh, well, put your guns and your knives up.
My knife was my gun.
Okay.
Where you go?
Here in a minute.
Let's go inside.